The overall goal of this procedure is to induce activity-based anorexia in adolescent female mice. This is accomplished by first introducing the mice to a running wheel, and for at least 3 days continuously monitoring their running wheel activity. Next, the mice are put on a restricted schedule of food access, and changes in their voluntary wheel running are recorded. Ultimately, this activity-based anorexia model can show that neurobiological changes are associated with changes in an animal's behavior when given restricted access to food.
It is my hope that this model of activity-based anorexia will help with improving the therapy of anorexia nervosa, because it will identify discrete individual differences in the neurochemistry and neuroanatomy that underlie the resilience and vulnerability to anorexia nervosa.
Though this method can provide insight into anorexia nervosa, it can also be applied to other diseases that have comorbidity with anxiety.
Generally, individuals new to this method will struggle because each animal's vulnerability to activity-based anorexia is highly variable. Thus, close monitoring the animal's weight loss, eating, and activity are required, or animals can perish.
To begin setting up, put the computer and USB hub in the animal room, away from running water and foot traffic, yet within transmitter range of the running wheels. Also, use a backup power supply for the computer and USB hub. Using switches on the hub, set the channel numbers.